Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So let's talk about HOT. Once again, last week I did got some at $2.35, and then I started to do the video on all the altcoin. And then, before doing the video, I checked HOT, and it was a 365, I think. And then I said, okay, you know what? After the video, I'm going to go and sell my HOT that I just purchased, because it's a pump and it's too much, and it reached 30k, so that's it. And it was too late, because when I finished the video, well, karma punished me for making a long video. So I think it was 65, and that would have been, man, one, not even 20, like 1 day, and then that's 12, almost 13%. But that's life, right? You snooze, you lose. And I did a video at 42 or 48 minutes. I try to cover the most coins I can, and they backfire. Now, since I don't believe that Bitcoin is going to go higher than 30, well, I could sell them now, honestly, but I'm going to wait and get some at $2.22. I really find that it's a nice level. Also, if I extend this trend here, yeah, well, hopefully we don't bust that level though. But I'm not stressed, honestly. And as you can see, our lower low, it's $1.07. So I don't believe we're going to make a new lower low. And if Bitcoin lose another 10%, 15, I'm fine with that. More accumulation for me. All right, so this is for HOT. Now there is a lot of I wouldn't say FUD, but a lot of concern about Mara and Riot, because it looks like maybe fundamentals are not that great, because they only have cash for the next 3 years for their expense, blah blah blah. But they only need to survive another 6 months. After that, it's fine. So if they can survive 1 year, they're all good, and they are in a process of upgrading their mining station. So honestly, I found it's I'm sorry, I would say it's a FUD, right? Like Kramer, that I think last week he said, sell your Bitcoin. Well, I think historically, I don't know, someone maybe can take the time and check. Every time Kramer said, I think Jim Kramer said that you need to sell the market, technically was very good accumulation level. So a lot of time, when I say whatever you read on crypto by big institution, do the opposite. Oh, for sure, it's pick and choose, because now if they're approving the ETF, that's going to be good. But for years they were saying Bitcoin is not good. So all these times, it was a good time to accumulate. All right, so now that's for Mara. Also, with all that, we can manage to do 5 wave down. Are we out from this downtrend? Kind of. Today we were about to do it, but then we kind of got back. Is it? Let me take back this trend. Where is it? I think it did move a little bit, so let me readjust. So okay, so here, touching here, touching here, and if I take a, if I'm take back a little bit and check since the beginning what happened. So we had a very nice impulsive movement. We're having a nice corrective movement. We can do this shallow uptrend line in green, and now we can count 5 wave up. Now if I zoom in, I really need to take out that dodge alert. Okay, and then after that, now I can count 5 wave down. We're having this downtrend channel that act as a resistance. and we didn't officially reach the 0.786 fib retracement, so let me extend that. So until we can still go at $6.63 and it would be kind of okay still, right? And we can also as well momentarily wick below that level and it would be okay. So yeah, as you can see here, we're having kind of a potential support at $5.60. Another one here at 5.25, maybe let's say 5.30. Yeah, so I'm not worried about that, even though I don't have any Mara, I don't have any Riot. I do have some Hive, I do have some DMGI, and I do have some HUT. Now, Riot, it's pretty much behaving at same level, but as you can see, it's a little bit stronger because it's still near we're just below the 0.618, so we have much room to go lower if we have to. We have so now today price is $9.24. The fib retracement, the 0.786, it's at $7. I'm going to round it up. We have kind of a nice support here level at $6.50 to $6.50, $6.74. 574, so that's also, it's looking good. Do I have a bigger, longer? Yeah, no, it's kind of stretching. And now let's do some stocks. So let's see the stocks today, what they're doing. Okay, Coinbase, I know there are some people that they're against, like Mr. Beautiful. But me, I have nothing against. I'm actually have, I believe that Coinbase is going to do very fine in the next bull run. As you can see, I can say that this was the completed wave A. This more likely was the B, and now we're doing into a expanding channeling. Maybe 5. I can count up to now 4 waves. Are we going to do the 5th one? As you can see, I kind of, maybe predict. I cannot predict really. We just need to check. But ideally, if we can go lower and make a 5th wave, maybe even touch this long-term uptrend green line would be also very positive. And after that, this would be just the 4th wave in yellow. So if I zoom out a little bit, we can see that we're in also a widening uptrend channeling. We did a 1, a 2, a 3. We didn't touch the 4th. So ideally, we would go and touch the trend again to complete the 4th wave and then do the 5th wave. That should bring us about somewhere near $150. Sometimes even price goes higher and break the uptrend line, so we can go much higher as well. Also, yeah, today I'm doing something different, right? Because I'm doing many coins. And okay, this one, it's a Norwegian cruise line holding. So I did see it for a while. As you can see, we're kind of going into this uptrend channeling, and we're really bouncing between these 3 trend lines. So I am expecting now, well, from now, for sure, it's too late to get in. We're almost reaching this trend, so I would wait. If we ever touch again this trend, it would be a nice entry point. For sure, you need to set yourself stop limit, but every time it did reach this trend line here in yellow, we kind of pretty much often, actually all the time, reach this top trend. So if you want to be more safe, you can take some profits when you reach this level here. So once again, we started this movement. We did touch it once again, and we break this middle trend, and we went higher. We went lower, touch it back again, this lower trend, and then we break again. As you can see now, we're really doing that. So now, yeah, I would say if we manage to touch again this trend, it's a very nice entry point. Conservatory profits could be taken at this level here, and yeah, if you want to really push it, then something near $20 or 21, allegedly. For sure, this is not financial advice. Okay, actually, I did had some watch long. So yeah, we're having Amazon. So you can see that we did a wave 1, a wave 2. Within this third wave, I can count 5 waves. So third wave finished, A, B, C done. Actually, also, we didn't even reach the 0.382 fib retracement for the fourth wave. And now possibly we're doing this fifth wave. And it's for the moment acting very well, because if I do the Fibonacci extension, wave 1 to wave 2, we reach the 1.618 and even a little bit higher for the third wave. And next target should be $173. So let's see if Amazon is able to do that. So if that does work out from today price approximative, we're going to have about a 30% up. This is a micro strategy. So yeah, this one I just wanted to point it out. It's old stock, right? But you can really see that they really kick in when you start to invest in Bitcoin, right? So that's what I'm saying. I already did a video, I think, on MicroStrategy, and it's like, this is where I would say all the companies, they if they want to have some access to crypto, they invest in MicroStrategy, because at the end, let's face it, I think the majority of their holding are in Bitcoin now. So there we are. So once again, broadening or channeling, uptrend channeling. So I can count a 1, a 2. Maybe this is the third. Would have been honestly perfect if we could touch it. I was expecting a little bit more, because I think I did this trend and touching this point. But now maybe I can adjust it, like, see, because it's a really long time I didn't do this, didn't analyze this coin. So let me see here. Also, it would be even more reliable if I clone it, and if that would be a perfect match. Yeah, it is not. All right, so less perfect, but still manageable, but give us an idea. And then if indeed price start to reverse here, well, we're talking about near $600. Just for fun, take out the indicators. So all right, so every time it was oversold, it was very nice accumulation point. Well, here we're in downtrend, so not yet, but we're close enough. And also, if you can see, we did add a spike, right? Now we're not there yet. So actually, this is a little bit a mixed feeling now. But this is another possible long entrance. And this is the daily and EMA 200, as you can see just here. Can I click on it? Yeah. So it's just here, right? So we have two allegedly potential support for the price. So that's nice. As you can see now, price is bouncing almost between the EMA 50, which acted as a resistance today, and EMA 200, more likely, if the trend, the yellow one, doesn't hold, the EMA 200 can act as a support. So this, we did it. This is Twilio. That's a software technology. As you can see, this is another possible short-term long. If we sustain this trend in yellow and doesn't break it, a sustainable break, then we have a target here of reaching this trend, really modest target. But if we go a little bit lower, or maybe start to go higher, but if I take from the price from here, it's about 10%. Like for the video I did for the crypto market, 10% is really realistic now. Either short, I would say more short, but stocks are kind of on another path for the moment, so it's pick and choose. So as you can see now, Tesla, it's doing this uptrend channeling. So you can see it's really working out. The 4 wave is retouching the trend. So now I'm waiting for this 5th wave here. So we can talk about maybe $360. We will see. Also, short term, can we do another trend here maybe? So maybe we can see that price really need to decide something very soon. So we're having this short-term trend here, longer trend of the uptrend channeling. So we're getting price is getting squeezed. Also daily, once again, MA50 acting as a support for the moment. Where is the MA 200? It's here. So we're below at 212 about. So that's another thing. Okay, so that was for the longs. The shorts. Yeah, this one short, it's because, let me see here. This is Bombardier. No, that's Blackberry. Blackberry. Let me get out a little bit. So what was the thing with this one? So it's kind of bouncing, and I did say, you know, it was doing this uptrend line. Honestly, I don't know why it's not a good chart. Let me go here into the stocks. Thought I had some drawings. Just lost them. Oh, here we go. So we're doing this channeling. I did say maybe this is the 5th wave. We didn't reach it as expected. We went much lower, and yeah, so this now, it could be entry point, but now it's too late, right? I did that this morning, early morning, and actually yesterday night, but I didn't have time to put it to do a video. I'm sorry, and because I was looking for uptrend or downtrend stocks. So this is allegedly, you know, I would say has potential now to go up, because it did lose so much that we need to have a recovery, right? So now, unfortunately, we are having that today. And yeah, how much was the recovery here? Just for fun. Yeah, like, yeah, almost 9%, right? So that's good. Honestly, I don't believe now that, you know, it should hold a little bit for that level. Maybe have a higher recovery. So this could be another option for a long. I don't know why I put it on a short. Coin. Yeah, actually, I put the coin on the wrong folder. So this is FTN. This is I think it's ETF. Anyway, it does invest into mostly financial, mostly bank, right? And give you dividend. I think it's 5%, I believe. Well, now it's 23% because the price is very low. Need to be. Let me see here, because there was something. Okay, so you see this one. It expired in 27th of September 2023. This is why the price is plunging, because now I think I believe they need to do they need to resign or re-declare this stock every 5 years. So I think this is why. I know that's the end of the date payment, but I know they do have expiration dates, and when they reach the no, they're near the expiration date, price really plunge. So he's doing a downtrend channeling, so I would say this could be another entry for a short. And once again, this is very easy. If you reach higher than the 4th wave, then you get out. This one, I don't even remember. Yeah, that's gold. So as you can see now, we're doing this, you know, since May a downtrend, and we're touching the trend once again. So if we have a nice rejection, I would say if we go below the MA 50, a sustainable rejection, then for sure we're going to go to 1823. So if no, that's another 5% if you are into gold. This one, it's a real estate company, and yeah, I think this one was I think a VRVP was very maybe attractive. Let me go and check. Oopsie, VRVP. Take some time. Yeah, the annoying thing is every time I need to go and readjust it. All right, so as you can see, you know, it's we did have a quite off a volume transaction at this level. So if, and then you know, yeah, so this is why from this level here, $7, if we start to fall, as you can see, we fall really badly. We have a little bit of support here, but if we lose also that one, more likely we're going to go at this $5.07. So that could be a short-term short. And yeah, I would say this is about it for possible other investment. This was more stocks, I would say. For sure, those are not financial advice. I'm just doing this rush in exploring the market, so you can have maybe an idea. If you have other stocks or crypto coin that you want to share with the community, please drop them in the comments, and I'm going to try to analyze them. And yeah, hopefully you know this video are helpful. I know they're a little bit longer than usual. After that, I'm going to go back on the standard, you know, ideally less than 10 minutes videos. If you have a few subjects that you have any question, please also drop them in the comments. If I can answer them, you know, and you can help other people. Or sometimes, you know, I don't know that subject, and give me the chance to explore that that subject for myself as well. So you know, it's all good for me. If you give me homework, and if when I have time, I'll try to do my best. All right, so this is all for today, and should be the last video. So enjoy your Monday. Hopefully, we're going to continue to have a green week, but let's see, because I'm expecting more of a red week. But I don't want to do the party pooper, so we'll talk about you know, maybe Friday, if I was right with this trend. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.